Guys, I've passed by this a bunch of times in the town closest to us, and I told Mrs. PIB, I said, let's just stop and let me make a video of this old Ford truck. I'm going to guess it's maybe a 64, I guess. I'm not real familiar with this model Ford truck. Could be 65 or 66, I don't know. As you can see, it's kind of worn out, but it'd make great yard art, wouldn't it? I'm going to get up kind of close to it, and hopefully I won't get stung by any waspers. This old truck's had a rough life, hasn't it? Looks like it might have started out life being green. I don't know, I guess the business logo is gone. F500. I don't even know if the motor and transmission's still in it. I can't see. Sorry for the noise, guys. I'm next to a busy highway. Yep, still got a motor in it, but I don't know what size it is, of course. Dirt daubers have made a home here for many years. Tires are completely flat, but it's a cool old truck. There come a wasper coming out of the truck. I'd like to see what that says, that little decal there, but I can't see. I love looking at stuff like this because it has a story to tell, and I just find it interesting. I think this is a dump bed. It is, it's a dump bed. That's kind of cool. I'd like to have something like this. That'd be great yard art. Y'all's probably laughing at us. I live in East Tennessee, and it's not uncommon for somebody to have yard art like this. I just think it's really cool. Let's check out this camper. Just trying to see who made it. Guess that's Scotty. Looks like it's been hand painted once with a brush. Ain't that cool how that fender wheel well opening's made? Kind of 50s, 60s style. Yeah, that's really cool. This is my first time to see it, guys, so I'm looking at it the same time you are. I'm going to try to get next to here. Maybe you can... I don't know if you can see inside of it or not. It's really hard to tell. There's a screen kind of blocking it. I don't know if you can open the door or not. Hey, let's see if it says trying to see if it has a year on it. Be honest with you, I don't see a year. I'm going to check out that door handle. Isn't that cool? I'm going to open. Hey, it opens. I don't know what's going to come out of it. Oh, look at that screen door. That is so cool. There's the table. The sink. I'm going to stick y'all in here and hope nothing grabs me. I'm not going to open it all the way up because I didn't ask permission. It doesn't say here either. Brist. I might be pronouncing this wrong. Bristow, Oklahoma. Ashburn, Georgia. Irwin, Pennsylvania. So they had several. I don't even know if they're still in business. Well, I used to see these a lot, Scotties, with that little Scottish dog when I was a kid. That must have the crank windows where you can crank it up and have a shade. That's really cool. And look how that roof is. Man, I like it. That'd be great yard art. Let's look at this real quick. Here's another camper. Oh, okay. This has got paperwork. For sale, 1967 Shasta with title. $3,100 firm or trade. This one's had a paint job too, because it looks like it used to be white. But that's okay. It's probably preserved it. Electrical outlet. I like those little wings. Ain't that cool? Last on the road in October 16. Deer hunters. I guess this was used for deer hunters, you know, to go set up someplace far off. Got the AC unit. Hey, pretty cool, pretty cool. This one is locked, so I can't look inside. Shasta trailers. Oh, I got a little leveling. I like those little wings. That's really cool. This does the same thing. It opens up. It'd be great to sleep in if you're sleeping in the woods. I mean, especially if you're hunting. Let's look at this other trailer. I'll go around this way. Hope you don't mind me showing you this stuff. It's kind of unique. This one is a barn find. Okay, this is an Airstream, Jackson Center, Ohio, Santa Fe Springs, California land yacht. Carvel. Oh, that's what I'm talking about, this right here. Maybe we can peek inside. Probably not. Probably not. Let's open up the door. Nope, it's locked. Hey, maybe we can look in right here a little bit. I don't know if you can see anything or not. You're seeing stuff I cannot see. Man, check out these old light lens. That's really cool. I like those reverse lights too. All this stuff is definitely vintage. Old hubcaps. Yeah, that's really cool. Don't know what this is for. Place for your spare tire. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little walk around of this old Ford truck and these 3 campers. Pretty cool. You're watching Man on a Budget. That's my YouTube channel name. I like to record stuff that's kind of unusual. Hey, I just seen this tag. Last on the road in 2000. You're watching Man on a Budget on YouTube. I have a Instagram, Man on a Budget 1. And I have a second YouTube channel called Primered is Best. And I have Facebook, Primered is Best, and Instagram, Primered is Best too. So if you like this kind of stuff, you might like Primered is Best as well, I hope. Y'all have a blessed day. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this old stuff. I bet that right there, I was just kind of looking, I bet that's a factory marking from Ford. Anyway, y'all have a blessed day. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Lord's in charge, and I'm so glad that He is. It's a beautiful day today. God bless y'all. See you later.